Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some project shares for you today. This is for my Kscraft guest design team June release. This is just the beach dies that were released for the June, their monthly release. Anyway, the first one I wanted to share was the corals. So I cut these out of shimmer paper from Michael's. Is it Michael's? I think it's Michael's. I'm not really sure because I got it from a D stash. So this is the 3 colors that I chose to color the coral. Cut the coral, I'm sorry. Not speaking clearly, but here is the next one. And I think they're really, really pretty. So we got those, and then we have the left and right facing. So this is the left facing coral. It looks like that. Okay. And I already shared an unboxing of the dies, so if you want to go check out those videos. And this one is a single one. It doesn't have a left or right. This is just one die or one piece. And so they look like that. And then you've got these. So this is the same as this one, but it's facing the opposite direction. Okay. This is a little bit mixed up because I've already used some of it. So let me get them out. Okay. These are the larger of the coral or the seaweed. It's really pretty. I already used 2 of this, so the pink and the green is gone. So you can see they're opposite facing right there. And then we have these guys. These are the last 2. And these are opposite facing also. Okay. All right, so that's what I've got for the seaweed, and I used some of them. Let me show you the buckets. These are the sand buckets with the shovels. And I put the seaweed behind and in front of the bucket, so that's what they look like. I used them, or I made them into shakers. Gosh, I can't talk. I think I'm just tired. And so the buckets, this one has seaweed in front. I added some flowers. This one is just on the back, and I didn't add any flowers to this one. But on the shovels, I added some sequins there, and I attached it with a jump ring, so it's a moving piece, so it's interactive. So that is the small sand bucket, and then here's the large. And then I added some of these flowers that I got from Happy Mail. So these are the flowers that I've been using. And this one I added small seaweed in the front, a large one in the back. And and this shaker beads that I'm using are from Hobby Lobby, the Recollection. I've been using this up since I received it from Louisa. So there's the large bucket. And then I made the seashells, the conch shells. And these are shakers also. And I also used some shimmer on them. Look at that shimmer on there. So very pretty. So I made the large and the small. So those are very pretty. Then I also have the starfish. And from the starfish, you get these negative cutouts. So I just layered them on since they're shaker pieces and they pop out. I just layered them, and those become extra embellishments. And this is the starfish shaker. I used the beads again to make my starfish. And this is a specialty paper, shimmer paper from I got from a D stash again. This is from Louisa. But look at that. So very pretty. I love that. So lots of shakers in this release. The last shaker bits I got, again, these are the beach balls, and you can make them two separate ways. You can make it as a flat embellishment. That's what it looks like. And I used some cardstock from the Cricut cardstock that we all hauled when Tony shared it. Well, I bought some, and this is like the few pieces that I have left. So there it is. And then a paper pad I got from another D-stash. This one is also from Michael's. So there's the flat for the beach ball. Here's my beads are all stuck. Here's the shaker for the beach ball. And that's what they look like. Really cute. I like that. And those are the large beach balls. Here is the small beach ball. And again with the Cricut cardstock. That's what that looks like. And then here's the small shaker. So there you go. All right, so that's it for the shakers. Now they also released a beach hat, and there was two styles of beach hats. And this one is the like a top view of the beach hat. And I added a flower. I also used some sequins that I received in Happy Mail. And that's what they look like. It's the seashells, and then you got the tropical mix. And I got that from Louisa again. Thank you, Louisa. Going to very much good use. So there you go. Same paper pad, just a different design. Here's it, the hat, what it looks like without any decoration. And then here's the smallest. So you get 3 sizes and 2 styles of hat. So that's the first one. And then here's the second style. Again, I also popped them up on foam to give it the dimension. And this one has a little tail flying. So this is like the side view of the hat. I added some sequins again, one of those flowers from a Happy Mail. So that's the large hat. Or is that the medium hat? No, that's the medium hat. This is the large hat. So the same thing. And just layered on some more of the sequins from my stash. And that's what it looks like. And then here's the small with no embellishments. So very, very pretty. I love these hats. So this is one set of dies. They all come together as one, and then they just have 3 sizes. Okay. So the last one I wanted to share are her jellyfish. Look at this girl. Oh my gosh. I need to add bows on them. So here's the jellyfish. This is the large jellyfish, medium jellyfish, and the small. And again, I'm using the Cricut cardstock with the, I don't know, the iridescent, I guess. And so there you go. I just interchanged the layers and I layered them up on foam. You see right there? It just gives it so much dimension. And then here's another one. And then another. So again, you get 3 sizes with this. Very pretty. Love it. So those are my jellyfish from the June release. They're all very pretty. So yeah, I think that is it. Oh yeah, the other thing I wanted to show, again, I made this in a previous video, but I did die cut the waves. It comes with this die set. And I also added some seam binding. And on the seam binding, I added some pearls and some, you know, some beads that I had in my stash. So I put the opposite colors on each of the panels for the waves. I thought that would be really pretty. And it's a really good size gift box. I could literally fit this little Hello Kitty into this gift box and gift it if I wanted to. But I don't. So anyway, that's what I've done with this one. And I have not yet done my seashell. I still have to find some wire, armature wire. I wanted to do a stiff handle and then add some, string some pearls or some, you know, pretty beads onto the handle, the wire. But we'll see. And I'm planning on using some of this to decorate my shell. So we shall see. It's not a bag. It is a box. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, if you're new, please subscribe and join our crafty family. You can also hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So again, hope to see you all on the next crafty video. Thumbs up. See you later. Bye.